It's the Atlantic.
God, this thing is heavy.
Oh.
Unbelievable. Look at all this crap.
Well, I wasn't expecting this.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Poor thing.
He does it slow and steady. That's good. Front wheels are down. Cable slack. More cans down here. Looks like trying to get somewhere.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. They built an entire civilization in here.
Perfect. All right, this one's heavy. Easy, don't drop it. Got it. Just gotta get it outside. Okay, set it here. All right, that's the last section of the rear carpet. Okay, let's take a look at the floor pan now. All right, position looks good. Well, get the air on if you want that light. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Looking good. Almost there. Stop right there. Perfect. Done. 50 seconds. Good. Lock in. All right. Passenger seat secure.
Tucked in perfectly.
All right. Just a little pressure here. All right. Just a little higher. Watch the paint. Perfect. She's on there tight. Keep it steady there. Just a little higher. Perfect. Check it out.
The moment we've been waiting for. Let's hear this legend breathe.